Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today we'll be making Christmas sugar cookies. So let's start baking. These are the ingredients for the Christmas sugar cookies. You will need 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of butter or 2 sticks of butter at room temperature, 1 egg at room temperature, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and half a teaspoon of almond extract. And this is how your Christmas sugar cookies should look like. Decorate them with your kids, friends and family and enjoy them for Christmas. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. Don't forget to visit my website at assyriandishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking everyone and Merry Christmas everyone!